Today we are going to install Mysql in my laptop. So just open any browser, search Mysql, then click on first link. After that you will see one screen. This the screen. Just go to the download, scroll down and click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. After that, below here you can see MySQL installer for Windows. Here you can select the version, which version you want to download, you can download, and select operating system. I'm going to select Microsoft Windows. There are two installers like Web Community Installer and MySQL Installer Community. So we have to click on second one, which is 303.6 MB. Just click on download button. Here they are asking for login or sign up. You don't need to login or sign up. Just scroll down and click on no thanks, just start my download. Then it start downloading. Wait for the downloading. Once it downloaded, just click on open file. It will start preparing for MySQL installer. Just click on yes. It will start installing. It takes 2-3 seconds. See, you can. So first, when you started installing, just click on custom, then next button, then click on this plus icon, again click, then select this and drag and drop. Then same process you have to follow for the workbench. This one. So once you select this server, workbench and shell, just click on next button and just simply execute. So you can check the status. It is installing. You have to wait for some time for the installing workbench also and shell also. It takes some time. The installation speed is depends on your system and internet connection also. So if the speed is proper, then it will get installed quickly, otherwise it will take time. Now why it is taking too much time, but I'm installing at first time into the my PC, so wait for some time. MySQL server and workbench is already installed. Just it is taking time for the shell. I don't know why it is taking too much time. But let's wait. Once it completed downloading and installing for server, workbench and shell, just click on next button. Then select server ready to configure. Just click on next button. You don't need to change any setting here. Just click on next button. It is asking for authentication method, which method you are going to prefer, whether you are going to use a password or authentication method. So I am using strong password method encryption for the authentication. Just click on next button, and here you can write password. Let's click on next. Again next. Here is the path where your MySQL server and MySQL is working. Just execute. See, the configuration for MySQL server 8.0.9 was successfully. Just click on finish to continue. See, it is successfully installed. If you want to check whether it is installed or not, just open this shell, type mysql underscore hyphen version and just click on enter. It is not showing because we have not confirmed the path, so we have to confirm the path. To confirm the path, we have to go to the file location where the MySQL get installed. Just open the program files where you can see MySQL. After that, click on server, then bin. After that, copy that path and just go to the my PC, show more properties, environmental advanced system. Just go to the advanced environmental variable. Here you can see the path. Just double click on it, add new path, just paste the path and okay. Okay. Now open the cmd command prompt. Okay, type mysql space hyphen version. It will show the your MySQL community version 8.0.39. This is installed version. So we have successfully installed MySQL into our PC. Thanks for watching video. Bye.